Hello everybody. Today we will have a live stream to show our cheap laser cutting machines. This is our popular model, SteviS. It's a fully automatic machine with a bundle loader. This is the loader. We can put a bundle of pipes on this rack and it will automatically loading one by one. This machine is suitable for round pipes, square pipes, rectangular pipes, and also oval pipes for hole cuttings, J-cut, angle cutting. We have different cylinders. Here I'm going to show you the whole structure of the machine. This is a big rack so that you can put a whole bundle. Usually we suggest the loading weight is maximum 1.5 tons. This is a separating structure. So after the the pipes load on these parts, they will slightly going one by one onto the rollers. These rollers can adjust according to different pipe size. Here is a stopper. And we can do OEM for our customers that to change the logos. This is the feeding part. We have 3 sets of rollers. Our engineer is setting the machine. This machine is going to be loaded in container tomorrow. It will ship to Mexico for a stainless steel manufacturer. 可以画个图吗? So let's see how engineer draw the tubes. You can do any kind of cutting design on the computer directly. See, our engineer is making some hole designs on the round tube. They're going to have 5 small holes. So we have a computer on the machine that you can control everything here and make drawings, and also we have the USB to connect the Wi-Fi. So if there's any alarms happens on your machine, we can connect with your machine directly to check what is going on and help you solve the problems. And the lasting software is already built in the machine. So you don't need to go back to office to make the drawing and then put into the USB and plug in the machine. There's no need to do that now. And we have the alarm lights here. This is the truck part. For this machine, we have different clamps for different pipe size. So here have some screws. It's very easy if you want to change different pipes. You just need to lose some screws and change the clamp set. It would take about 3 to 5 minutes only. And here is the laser head. We use ray tubes. 帮我开一下这个。And this is a tailing and the head collector. When the pipe is going to cut the pipe head and the pipe end, this part will open to receive the part. And when you're going to cut the workpiece, it will close directly and the workpiece will go down into your container directly. And here is the long length support. Yeah. So when you cut in the long pipes, this part, the supports will go up to support the pipes to ensure your cutting accuracy. Yeah. 可以切了吗? Okay. So let's see. Our engineer already finished the drawing, and let's see the machine's cutting. So he needs some time to do the adjustment. Okay. Oh, see how fast also the cutting. It's flying. Okay, 帮我拿起来. Okay. See, this is for long length cutting. See, there's a lot of small holes and the machine cut it in a very fast speed. This is the advantage of this machine. It's a high-speed machine. This is the back side of the machine. This is the chiller, and it's 60 Hertz. It's customized for our Mexican customer. This is for putting the pure water onto the chiller and for showing the temperature. The pipes to connect into the laser. So the whole machine is totally two parts. One part is the cutting part, the cutting heads, and the loading part, we call it the loader. The whole connection is very simple, just few pipes connect with the cables and also the chillers. And usually we suggest the customer to add the transformer if their voltage is different, such as in Mexico, customers' three-phase voltage is 22 voltage, but in China it's 380. So we need to add the transformer to offer the suitable and stable power to the whole machine. Today is the final testing day for this machine. Tomorrow it will go into load in a container, a 40-feet container, because the whole machine is very long, especially for the loader. It's more than 6 meters long. It needs a container, a 40-feet container, to load the whole machine. The cutting parts, the loader, the chiller, and also the compressor and the transformer. And the laser source is inside here, just under the computer. And we have the labels, Chinese and English, and also some warning labels. Some customers will ask, how can I maintenance this machine? So we will have our guidance, the manual, to teach you every month or every day what you should do. Like every day you should clean the laser head and the clamp set, and also the lubrication to add oils on the movements, the moving parts. This model is especially developed for furniture and also the hardware parts industry, and it's suitable for maximum 85 diameter round tubes, and also for the square tubes, rectangular tubes, and oval tubes. It's a good choice for customers who have mass production of different kinds of pipes cutting. So this is open type machine. What is open type? It means the head is not covered, such as this one. This one is for Thailand customer. It's fully covered. So it depends on different customers' requirement. This is the electric parts. So we use slider and also Delta and famous brands components. Every machine, after the assembly, we will have fluent tests for at least 5 days to make sure every part of the machine they can run well before we deliver. These are some cutting samples. This is angle cutting. This is for round tube cutting. And also some square pipes. See, this is after packing. We use foams and films. And we have the labels. And we showed where is for the forklift, the position. So you can ask any question here and I will reply you. So our engineers testing the machine. This is the square pipes. These are our new model. It's for the tiny, small tubes, the precision tubes cutting. It's suitable for the pipe size below 25 diameters. So as you can see, all the machines are under full run test, the limit test. This is the structure for the dust collection. And we have a light here so that the workers can see the machine running clearly, even in the dark environment. The laser head and the parts is cutting inside. We have the glass here to protect the small pieces. See, this is a marble table. There's very less manufacturer using the marble table. It will increase the production cost, but can ensure the precision cutting. That's why we choose it. See, it's showing. This is the drawing of the parts and the machine, just like the ATF. You make the drawing here in the computer and the machine will run automatically. We have remote control too. This is for the keyboard and the mouse. This is a cable. So you see all of the machines are under running. Usually this is manual loading machine. It's automatic feeding. The clamp will move the pipes automatically because the pipes can be cut here. It's from 1 millimeter to 25 millimeter. They're very small, so usually it's not suitable for automatic loading. But some of the customers, they still want automatic machines, so we designed this loader. See, this pipe diameter is less than 5 millimeter. It's a slide loader. You can put the pipes from here one by one, and then it will load automatically. But every time when you want to add the automatic loader, please send us all your pipe size so our engineer will check and evaluate whether it's suitable to use the automatic loader or not. So this model is not only true for straight cut, but also suitable for making holes. It's popular in medical industries. These are some samples. This is for straight cut, but also to cut small holes. See, this is a very, very tiny chips. So this is, we are packing the parts for the Mexican customer, and this is the sleeve for the ATF. We see there's a pipe size mark on the chips. One pipe need one clamp. We have the two balls with 5 pieces protective lens and 5 pieces of the laser head also, and also 5 pieces of the ceramic rings. It's all for free to be shipped with the machine. And we offer 2 sets of the clamps with the machine, and this customer, he ordered 15 sets because he have different pipe size. So our workers are doing the assembling. And since the Mexican voltage and frequency is different, so we also order a customized compressor. This is a scroll compressor set with the compressor, air filter, and air driver. It's different from the screw type compressor for its lower noise and less power consumption. So tomorrow this will be shipped with the machine together. Usually for export, we will have the plywood package for the device. So everybody, you can ask any questions you have. We will reply you here. Today is just to show some of our products, the popular models, and to show you how they work. Every label we have English and Chinese. If you want to change different language, we may need your help for translation, but we can change it on the machine. So if you want to cut short lengths for piece, just close it. And welcome to share us your suggestions or your ideas. This is a full cover model. Some of the customers, they want a full cover machine because of the local law and also to better protect their workers. Here's a door. But inside the structure is same. By the way, this is an angle. The bevel hat machine, it can do the hat can move angle for 45 degrees, plus and minus. This is a special hat. See what if I can find some special samples here. See, this sample is cutting by the bevel hat. It's just like the saw cutting for angle. Just like a line here. See, we will have some parts here. Some are sent from our customers to make tests before the machine delivery. Like I mentioned, this part it can adjust. Engineers are doing tests on the machine. Oh, by the way, this is another type of loader. See, it's a slide loader to put the parts in here. We have different types of loader to fit for different customers' requirement. Like this one, this is a bundle loader. Put a bundle of parts here, and it will run one by one into the fitting part. And this is the roller part. It can adjust. See, it's a V-shape roller to adjust the angle according to different pipe size. And this is a manual type loader. It's a simple rack. Put the pipes here and manually put on the rollers to fit. Besides our brand SteviS, we also offer OEM and ODM service for our customers, the local brands, and also some overseas brands. See our engineers making tests. So our large steam will be finished in 5 minutes. If you have any question, just send us and we will reply you. The machine we are showing now is a precision chip, a small chip laser cutting machine. It's suitable for chips diameters from 1 millimeter to 25 millimeter, especially for medical parts and electrical parts cutting. It's a high-speed model that we test with other brands. We are at least 5 to 10% faster than other brands of this kind of machine. And we use the marble table here to ensure the machine accuracy, which will increase our production cost. and we use the 9 model. This is the head, the cutting parts. All the parts cutting, after cutting, they're inside this box. Because all the parts are very small, they will fly everywhere. That's why we design these parts. All the parts will be cut inside here and go down into the container. And we have a dust collector connection part here so that you can connect with the collector, the dust collector. And we have the alarms here and also a light. It's a very careful, sweet design. I would say it's sweet design because the customers. Oh, hello, Wally. Thank you for watching our live stream. So your question is how we collect the inner pipe dust. Well, for this part, what we can do first to avoid the dust cut inside the tubes, we will suggest our customers put a smaller pipe in the pipe so that the cutting dust will not stick in the tube inner wall. And here we have a structure to connect with the dust collector so that it will take all the cutting dust from this box. Oh, FL70. Okay, but yeah, Wally just ordered our FL70 and it's still under production. It's not in this workshop. Today, our theme is to show our small pipe cutting machine and also the FL80, the universal high-speed popular model. So actually today is mainly to show how we do the test and pack the machine for the ATF. Tomorrow this machine will be shipped to Mexico. Okay, Wally, I will choose another date. When your machine is finished, I will do the live stream to show you your machine. Don't worry. So this is the ATF. And here's the computer. 继续再切一下吧。可以连续切吗？好。Okay. Engineer will start the cutting again to show how fast of this machine. 连续切多一点。So see, engineer just decide the cutting. There's a lot of holes. Let's see how fast is the cutting. Yes. For ATF, the same. Well, we have the anti-spatter structure for ATF. So the structure will take out all the cutting dust from the inner wall. But today we don't have machines to show you. But later I will find the previous videos. Okay. See. Wow. It's fine cutting. Okay, next.
它是换其他的了，它要换成其他的款了。
Oh, okay. And we have different cutting on this tube, so that it means in one tube you can do different parts. Now it's making like the oval hope.等一下，帮我拿起那些样品，我拍一下。Okay, see. Why this door open is to receive the cutting head and the tailing. Let's see. These are some the parts just be cut. See, there's a lot of holes on the pipes. The advantage for using laser cutting, first is the speed. It's very fast. Second, it's just like the small and thin pipes like this. If you use the punching machine, it will have some deformation on the pipes. But for laser cutting, it's non-contact cutting, we call it. So there's no deformation on the pipes. See the small holes. Everyone is perfect, raw, no burrs. This is laser cutting. Thank you, Wally. Thank you, my friend. Okay, our live stream is already last for 45 minutes and it's going to finish next time. We will try to have live stream every week to show you different machine or different function of our models and show you how we produce the machines, our production, our QC, control, everything, so that you can see how we do. So this is the name pane. The metal name pane for this model is just model ATF, and the serial number. It's ordered on 17th of this month, and the machine is already finished. And tomorrow we will load the container. We will pack the machine today, and load in a 40-feet container tomorrow. So it takes less than 2 weeks. We finish the machine. The machine's voltage is the 380, 3-phase, and 50 hertz. But this is for our Mexican customer. Therefore, we need to customize the chiller with 60 hertz. Our machine the cutting machine is suitable for 50 and 60 hertz, but the chiller must be same as the local frequency. And this model is using 2 kilovolt laser power, and the compressor, it requires the air pressure, the cutting air, above 16 bar. Machine weight is 2.5 tons, and we have the CE certificates for all of our models. Okay, so that's it for today's live streams. Thank you for watching. Thank you, my friend. Thank you, Wally. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.